नकुल अगर ये पिक्चर तेरी नहीं होती ना मैं तो भी ये पिक्चर देखता.
So I have never really done intimate scenes actually for a film or any project. So I was obviously a little skeptical, a little hesitant to do it.
The intimacy I'm showing in my film is script dependent.
Okay.
It is not my demand.
अच्छा.
So you have to be true to that, and that's it. I don't want to choreograph it in a way that it looks a certain way on screen.
Yeah.
Like I don't want to be that 90s hero where you know I have one hairstyle and 10 films are same. No.
Hello and welcome. You're watching India.com Z with Sean. Today in conversation with we have the wonderful cast of Murderbad. So let me welcome actor Nakul Sahai, Kanika Kapoor and director and producer Arnab Chatterjee. So first of all, आप सबसे मैं पूछना चाहूँगा कि मर्डरबाद का जो ट्रेलर है इट्स फैंटास्टिक इंटेंस लेयर्स आर देयर ओवरऑल टुगेदर एंड ऑडियंस के रिएक्शन भी इट्स वंडरफुल सो आई जस्ट वांटेड टू नो कि लाइक जब आप लोगों ने देखा कि यार ऑडियंस इतने दमदार तरीके से रिएक्ट कर रही है अंदर से क्या आ रहा था आई वांट टू नो ईच वन ऑफ यू व्हाट डिड यू फील
So I'll start when I saw the trailer first time myself. I was like this film is like people are gonna get hooked to it because you know you have shot for the entire story. Usually in today's time you're always scared of the trailer because of the sheer fact that you give so much out that people say कि यार film में तो कुछ दिखाया नहीं. And if anybody says that this trailer has everything what the film has, then I can proudly say that you are there for a ride, and then you know where the story is gonna take you. It's in like a classical term, full paisa vasool.
That's wonderful. Kanika, what about you?
So जब ट्रेलर रिलीज हुआ उससे पहले अर्नब ने किसी कास्ट के साथ भी ट्रेलर शेयर नहीं किया था.
अच्छा.
एंड वी केप्ट आस्किंग हिम कि प्लीज यार हमें तो दिखा दे.
हाँ.
एंड ही वाज जस्ट लाइक अभी तो काम चल रहा है अभी ये वो. एंड बेसिकली वी सॉ द ट्रेलर अलोंग विद एवरीवन एल्स व्हेन इट वाज रिलीज्ड. एंड उस रात को इतनी एंग्जाइटी से सोई हूं मैं कि सुबह रिलीज हो रहा है. और सो या आई वाज वेरी एक्साइटेड फॉर द
पूरी रात
ट्रेलर.
मैसेज कर रही थी कि कुछ ग्लिम्स दिखा दो ये वो पर ऐसे नहीं.
But how I imagined it to be, it was almost exactly that. And I was also very scared कि कहीं because it's a thriller, थोड़ी mystery है
Yes.
कि कहीं ज़्यादा reveal ना हो जाए जिससे लोग guess ना कर ले कुछ. और but और क्योंकि आपको story पता है ना, but when I showed it to everyone else who did not know the story, या तो कोई कुछ गलत guess कर रहा था या कुछ उल्टा पुल्टा guess कर रहा था, I was like चलो good, like our
that was my
purpose is
intention.
served. So I was very happy when I saw the trailer and the kind of reaction that we're getting. I am hoping it's going to.
Fingers crossed.
Yes, yeah.
That's great.
Yes.
Arnab, what about you?
मैं तो ट्रेलर I mean because I've been through every moment in the process of the film.
Yeah.
Objectivity थोड़ा lose हो जाती है अपनी.
True.
तो जैसे I saw the first cut of this trailer back in I think December we cut the first लॉक किया था.
Wow, thanks for showing it.
नहीं 4 मिनट का कट था वो थोड़ा लेंथी था फिर उसको काट के और फाइन ट्यून किया शार्प किया
Okay.
साउंड पे काम किया फिर साउंड पूरा साउंडस्केप चेंज हुआ उसका.
Okay.
ऐसे करके हम लोग कर रहे थे. बट मोर और लेस अबाउट अ वीक प्रायर टू द रिलीज द ट्रेलर रिलीज मुझे लग रहा था कि दिस इज what it should look like and sound like and I was very satisfied क्योंकि a lot of elements are there in the trailer but still not enough for you to gauge
reveal.
the film of the film.
Yeah.
The story of the film. I mean I was reading some comments कि अरे बहुत कुछ दिखा दिया.
हाँ.
स्टोरी समझ में आ रहा है. I wanted to comment कि बताओ क्या स्टोरी है because एक्चुअल स्टोरी जो है वो काफी थोड़ा अलग है.
Yes.
जो ट्रेलर में है उससे we've kept very open-ended in the trailer.
लास्ट में अपने ट्रेलर में एक दमदार ट्विस्ट तो दिया है which is like mind boggling कि किसी को won't be able to guess.
Yeah.
So that's wonderful. Nakul, coming to you. So
You know, Sean, I just want to add one thing. One of the biggest compliment I would say, and so my brother and my only friend and my best friend, they were watching the trailer with me, and they said, "Nakul, अगर ये पिक्चर तेरी नहीं होती ना, मैं तो भी ये पिक्चर देखता." So for me, honestly, that was like this actually has that potential because you know people around you always root for you.
yeah.
So that day I was like, yeah, you know, like, because you're scared otherwise. So this is your first time. It's not like I'm in the business day in, day out, coming out. So yeah, that's something I mean, I hold it close to my heart and I know they're not lying.
And that's really wonderful of you.
Thank you.
Coming back to you, you know, trailer mein we see you play tourist guide Jayesh, right? And you know, starting mein you see a very lover's boy, you guys have romance as well, and then suddenly trailer mein we see, है ना, आपका शेड पूरा बदल जाता है, right?
Yeah.
Again, that mystery thing is there. So I just wanted to know, I'm very curious to know that when you were offered the script,
Yeah.
what was your reaction?
So, one thing I want to tell you that Arnab is just not a great director. He has the art of giving narration. He narrated half the script.
Okay.
And then he gave me the script and he's like, go home and read it. And he leaves you at that hook point, even in that narration perspective, at the narration point. And then when I went back and I read now, when you know, as you can see the glimpses,
Yeah.
but when you will gonna go and travel with the character, that's why, I mean, I can proudly say that in this film, what audience gonna experience it in Indian film history, it's never been shown. And if anybody can come up with the proof, I'm gonna return their money back. I assure you that. So
That's a big
you know,
challenge you're making.
so for me, yeah, I'm saying it out loud on it's recorded. So you know, as an actor and someone who's starting a career, and when you're given such a brilliant opportunity, like a fool will only say no to it, right?
Yeah.
So I was like, ये करना है, ये मतलब, there's no way this is going away from my hand.
Oh,
Yeah,
that's
I think
great.
I was desperate enough, and Arnab read their energy, and he was like, "चलो दे देते हैं यार."
That's wonderful. So, Kanika, coming to you, you know, trailer mein we see he, again, your role is also similar to Nakul as well. So, जब हम देखते हैं ना कि like your all over is mystery only, आपके character ही पूरा mystery में है, film भी murder mystery में ही थोड़ा बहुत genre आ जाता है, right? So, just wanted to know कि like when similarly when you were offered the script, when you know कि like यार ये genre है, did you hesitate a bit कि like यार is murder mystery my type, or is it like romance, or you want to do action? How was it for you?
So मेरे साथ जैसे उनको नरेशन मिला था, मुझे वैसे नहीं मिला था कि आधा नरेट किया और आधा स्क्रिप्ट दे दी कि पढ़ो.
अच्छा.
आई थिंक बिकॉज हम बिल्कुल लास्ट स्टेजेस पे थे, 10 दिन बाकी थे शूट के, एंड दैट इज व्हेन आई वाज लॉक्ड फॉर द
Okay.
फिल्म. तो मुझे पूरा नरेशन मिला था, बट व्हेन ही स्टार्टेड आउट द नरेशन, एंड आई थिंक आल्सो टोल्ड हिम कि ओ इट साउंड्स लाइक सच अ क्यूट लव स्टोरी, एंड आई वाज लाइक वैसे सुन रही हूँ मैं बहुत ही बबली तरीके से, एंड सडनली ऐसे और चीजें
Twist
हुई,
आता
फिर
है.
और
हाँ.
ट्विस्ट हुआ, फिर थोड़ी सी चीजें डार्क हो गई, एंड my reactions also changed according to what he was telling me, और by the end of it मैं थोड़ा सा हिल गई थी कि क्या ऐसा. But a lot of people don't know this. I have grown up, I'm a big fan of mystery. Like I have grown up reading Nancy Drews और Agatha Christie, जो सारी mystery novels
Yeah,
होती है ना,
yeah.
और मुझे बहुत ही, अगर कुछ मुझे कहीं उलझा दो ना, मुझे उसको सुलझाना बहुत पसंद है. So and I've always wanted to do a mystery because I love watching mysteries. So वो एक सेकंड के लिए तो मैं हिल गई, but like I had to do this.
Okay.
I had to do this.
That's great.
Yes.
Arnab, coming to you, film में आपने direct तो किया, and you have played multiple roles as well, not on screen but behind the screens as well. Dialogue, story, production, direction. Right? Have I missed anything? Did I? Screenplay?
Yeah.
हाँ, 5 हो गए. Right. So at a very young age you are director as well, और ये 4 roles जो मैंने अभी बताए, you have done this as well. So no, being इतने कम उम्र में ही you have, like you're changing hats all the time. So what was that one challenge that you were facing while shooting Murder Baad?
नहीं, firstly ये overnight नहीं हुआ है. Yes, ये मेरी पहली फिल्म है in the Hindi space,
Yeah.
full-fledged commercial scale पे. But I've been making smaller scale films over the years. I was about 8 or 9 when I started off making short films, and I was 13 when I established the banner. And then I was 16 when I made a feature film with my school friends back in Kolkata. तो मतलब ये writing, direction, editing सब कुछ मैं करता आया हूँ. तो experience उस, you know, you learn from the very basics.
Yeah.
And then very gradually, so I'm 25 now, but I have, I mean, sounds strange speaking, but I have about, I don't know, 12, 13 years of experience just from scratch. And with no such support from someone, no such guide in my circle, my family or anything. So करना ही था.
Okay.
I was 8 when I wanted to be in Bombay writing, directing and producing. So today I'm just living that dream in every aspect. It's very stressful.
Yeah.
तो रात को नींद नहीं आती है. मतलब for the last I think year and a half I've not been sleeping well. But I'm just very very happy to be in this space. I can't imagine myself doing anything else other than this. And with that you accept all the struggles and challenges which come your way. Not just as a director but as a producer, where you have to accommodate 300 people on crew day in and day out when you're shooting. Uske pehle when you have to mount the whole film, which is not a studio backed film. जैसे अभी क्या है कि every film is you have to first get a studio on board. Then you start the film officially. Then the funds are locked. Actors come on board, and then the actor says that "Nee, you have to first get the studio. Studio says you get the actor." So ये चल रहा था. I've been through all of this.
Okay.
And then I felt कि ऐसा चलता रहेगा तो मेरे बाल सफेद हो जाएंगे. बनेगी नहीं फिल्म. और and the story was going to people because you have to pitch a film and then convince that person, right?
Yes.
So सामने से बंदा ना भी बोले, but कहानी तुम पे पहुंच गई ना, फिर वो कहीं जाके बोल सकते कहानी.
हाँ.
So I didn't want my story to go stale in the market.
Okay.
So towards the end, I was in a rush to make the film. I have to make it because I'm not the only person with a good script.
True.
To be very real about it. So yeah, then I took it up upon myself कि अब छोटे scale में बनाएंगे. I mean, छोटा scale is also very relative for a so-called glittery Bollywood film. Our film is a small scale film, but for an independent film, it looks very big. This is an independent film in every which way. Completely solo maker behind it without any studio. We now have Reliance on board. They are backing the film, they're distributing it, presenting it. But at the time of making it, I was alone behind it. And
Okay.
Shooting was full of struggles, of course. I mean, right from getting locations to taking the crew to getting actors on board. As I said about the whole studio actor situation. Yeah, then post-production was a struggle because you exhaust as a director-producer, director first, producer later. Your mind is on the director side more, so you spend so much. And then you realize, I don't have money for post. Happens to every such individual. I went through that. And because the passion of the director takes over most of the times on set, then later when you go back home or go back to your office, you realize that you've overspent. Then कुछ भी करके then you postpone the shoot, then you gather more funds, then you again start shooting. तो ऐसे करके भी
cycle continue रहता है.
Then you don't have money for post production, you don't have money for VFX. Our film doesn't look like a VFX heavy film, but we have a lot of hidden VFX in the film. For that, I couldn't get a VFX studio on board. I opened my own.
Okay, that's wonderful.
So I've opened my own VFX studio. It's a very tiny setup, but nevertheless, that is also a startup subunit of my company. I have other plans of subsidiaries in my sort of the brand ACG which I want to create.
That's wonderful.
Then comes to the theatrical release, and there's no money for the so-called P&A. So now I'm a producer trying to release a film all India, and you need that amount of amplification and marketing as well, which we don't have. So everything is organic. We can't buy the media. We can't do anything which other producers around us are doing everywhere. Regional में हो या हिंदी फिल्म में हो या साउथ में हो. So yeah, here we stand. And now in July there are like I don't know 20 releases every week. हम लोग भी उसमें से बड़े से मार्केट में हमने स्टॉल खोल के रखा है. तो जब अगर किसी को लगे कि ठीक है सब फिल्में अच्छी है, शायद पता नहीं, मैंने एक भी फिल्म देखी नहीं है, ना ही मैं किसी प्रोड्यूसर डायरेक्टर को जानता हूँ वो फिल्मों के, तो आई हैव नो आइडिया.
अच्छा.
बट वो सब फिल्में देख के हमारी भी फिल्म देख लो, क्योंकि हमने खुद से मेहनत से जान लगा के बनाई है.
That's wonderful.
सारी पिक्चरों से पैसा बचा के प्लीज मर्डर बात देखो. I openly say it. It's worth your money. I don't know. I have not seen the other film. I have not worked with those. I have not seen those scripts. But this is something different, and I think all your money should go towards Murder Baad.
Definitely. So coming back to you, Arnab, Murderbad title seems very intriguing, right? So just wanted to know कि like
हम
what's
लोग टाइटल
है ना?
कहीं किसी से भी मिल रहा
आ
है
रहा है
कहीं भी
ना?
जा रहे हैं ये टाइटल को लेके ये आ रहा है क्वेश्चन कि ये कहाँ से आपने
हाँ,
ऐसा टाइटल
स्क्रिप्ट
सोचा हो
जब आपने लिखा तो मर्डरबाद का टर्म आया कहाँ से आपके पास?
नहीं तो ये मर्डर बाद नाम एक्चुअली रिसेंटली आया है इसी साल मैंने इसको मर्डर बाद के नाम से लॉक किया इसके पहले द टाइटल वाज समथिंग एल्स इट वाज मुर्दाबाद वो भी क्यों था आप फिल्म देख के आपको समझ में आया
समझ आ
क्यों
जाएगा।
क्यों है देयर इज अ word play over there and so with Murderbad it's complete word play so yeah इससे ज़्यादा मैं डिटेल दे नहीं पाऊंगा आपको फिल्म देखनी पड़ेगी
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल ठीक है कनिका कमिंग बैक टू यू ट्रेलर में वी सी की लाइक देयर आर लिटिल बिट इंटीमेट सीन्स दैट आर shown in the trailer, right? So being an actress yourself, I'm pretty sure that there are some challenging moments that are there. Professionally, emotionally भी रहता है, right? And personally भी रहता है. So when it came to you, how did you able to handle it?
So I have never really done intimate scenes actually for a film or any project. So I was obviously a little skeptical, a little hesitant to do it, and I also shared that with Arnab. But we got a really nice intimacy coordinator on board.
Okay.
Her name is Neha, and बहुत सारी चीज़ें हमने सजेस्टिव वे से करी और चीट करी एंड बेसिकली आई नेवर हैड टू डू एनीथिंग दैट आई वाज नॉट कंफर्टेबल डूइंग एंड दैट इज व्हाट आई वांटेड सो आई थिंक इट ऑल वर्कड आउट स्मूथली एंड हाँ मतलब जो मुझे डर था ना वो कि मुझे सेट पे क्या हो वो कुछ लाइक शी मेड अस सो कंफर्टेबल शी हैड दीज वर्कशॉप्स विद अस एंड वेयर वी वर आस्क्ड टू like share a lot of things with each other so that we form that connect where we are comfortable around each other so वो चीज़ें बहुत मैटर करती हैं वो बहुत डिफरेंस भी मेक करती हैं एंड हाँ तो फिर जो हुआ वो सब स्मूथली हुआ बहुत चीज़ें सजेस्टिव थी सो एंड ही ऑल्सो चेंज्ड अ लॉट ऑफ थिंग्स फॉर मी सो आई एम वेरी ग्रेटफुल फॉर यू टू डू दैट and it all worked out fine.
My brief to the intimacy director Neha was that the intimacy I'm showing in my film is script dependent.
Okay.
It is not my demand.
अच्छा.
So you have to be true to that, and that's it. I don't want to choreograph it in a way that it looks a certain way on screen.
Yeah.
जितनी कहानी में जरूरत मैं in fact to in your narration also I told her that I won't make you do anything which you may feel that मैं करा रहा हूँ. You should feel कि कहानी में इतना है तो इतना ही चाहिए. It is nothing beyond that. So,
ठीक है.
Yeah.
That's wonderful. So before ending this interview, just wanted to ask Nakul. You see, Murderbad में आपका character is very interesting, right? And you have also worked in multiple other films as well. So just wanted to know, like being an actor yourself, if given a chance, lead आप कर रहे हैं, ठीक है, lead actor आप हैं, and if you were given a chance to play grey shades, grey characters, what would your take be on that?
In like another character from Murderbad you're talking about?
नहीं मर्डरबाद के अलावा because यहाँ पे तो आप कर ही रहे हैं grey shades, right? And उसके अलावा अगर if you were given
any other film or just in general?
Just in general, if given the opportunity for you कि अगर आपको किसी फिल्म में ऑफर किया गया हो कोई एक एंटागनिस्ट का रोल अगर आपको दिया हो तो would you prefer or you will be like नहीं नहीं मेरे को लीड दो नहीं तो कोई supporting role दो
पॉजिटिव दो.
Yeah.
No, I honestly like juxtapositioning of things. You know, so when there is a lead, but then there is something very different. So like I don't like a very linear character because that's boring. Even when we meet a person, there is something, you know, it's something completely off, and if you get to know about that, you automatically get their attention. So that's what I always look for in a character. And it's my constant effort, and I can proudly say from the time I've started working till now that every time I want a completely different look, completely different shape for every character. And once I do like something what I've done for Jayesh, I'm not going to repeat it and sell it for someone else. Like I don't want to be that 90s hero where, you know, I have one hairstyle and 10 films are same. No.
And same jeans also.
Sorry?
In the 90s.
Yeah, exactly. It's like from one set to another. Because, you know, it's that script, that team, that time completely belongs to that story and it should freeze in time there. That's the idea.
Wonderful. That's really wonderful. So all the best for you guys for Murderbad, and
you so
much. Thank
hopefully there's more success for you, and we'll join again.
Yes,
Thank you.
I hope we kill on the weekend of 18th,
July
and
18th,
we
definitely,
celebrate on hopefully 20th onwards, and we meet again.
Surely. Thank you for watching.
Thank you.
Thank you.